In this video, we'll show you how you can remove Gemini from Gmail completely. So to do this, first head to the Gmail settings menu. Now under the general tab, you need to scroll down and then click on this manage workspace smart feature. Now here turn off this first toggle, that is the smart features toggle. Turn it off and then click on save. Once you do this, Gemini will no longer summarize your email or draft them on your behalf. Now this won't stop Gemini icon from appearing here and showing this pop-up anytime you click on it. If you want to disable this as well, what you need to do is open a new tab and then search for uBlock Origin. Now click on this first link, that is uBlock Origin, and then click on this get uBlock Origin extension option. Once you click on it, the uBlock Origin extension will be added to your browser. Now go back to the Gmail app and then refresh the page. Now here you need to click on this extensions option and then go to uBlock Origin. Now make sure it is turned on. Now refresh the page. Right click on this Gemini icon and then select block element. Now here select pick and then choose this Gemini icon here and then finally click on create. Once you are done this, simply go ahead and refresh the Gmail page one more time. Now this Gemini button is useless. If I try to click on it, it no longer shows up this side panel that used to appear earlier. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.